Dear students, today we will discuss about stupas. Already we have discussed about Lord Buddha means Buddhism and also Jainism. So most important architecture now we'll going to discuss about stupas. We will start first. See, here is given Chaityas. What is the meaning of Chaityas? Chaityas means क्या है मतलब बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल्स को चैत्य बोला जाता है दैट इज द स्मॉल श्राइन attached to them. Okay, so here is written the definition of chaitya. Certain places were regarded as sacred by the people in the early times, and sites with special trees or unique rocks or sites of inspiring natural beauty with small shrine attached to them were known as chaityas. ओके यहाँ पे जो स्पेशल ट्रीज था यूनिक रॉक्स था और साइट्स ऑफ इंस्पायरिंग नेचुरल ब्यूटी विथ स्मॉल श्राइन अटैच होकर के टू देम वेर नोन एज द चैत्यस. सो इट इज द means sacred place of Buddhism. That is the meaning of Chaitya. You can write in your copy also. Then here is Ajanta Chaitya, means it is one of the most beautiful, magnificent architecture of our country. Means related with the Buddhism. Next one, the four sacred places. See, कौन सा चार पवित्र स्थान था. Buddhist literature describes places connected with the life of Buddha. These places were मतलब बुद्धा लॉर्ड बुद्धा का लाइफ में कनेक्टेड जो चार important places था. These places were Lumbini means where he was born, Bodhagaya where he attained enlightenment, Sarnath where he gave his first sermon, Kushinagar where he attained Nirban means muksha salvation. Okay, so this is also means from the means about the MCQ question also you have to prepare very well. So Lumbini means where he was born and where he attained the enlightenment, and also in which place he gave his first sermon. Like that this question will come, means a 1 mark question it carries. So these places were four sacred places of Buddhism, and these four places were considered as sacred. ये चार जगह को पवित्र माना जाता है बुद्धिज्म में. Next one is stupa. Its meaning. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of stupa. क्यों बोला जाता है उसको स्तूपा, जो कि हम लोग सांची में देखने के लिए मिलता है, अमरावती में देखने के लिए मिलता है. तो why it is means what is the meaning of it, and also why it is famous, and also one of the sacred place. Mounds were relics of the Buddha, such as his bodily remains or objects used by him were buried were known as stupas. मतलब जो जगह में some relics means body parts, organs after the death of Lord Buddha, it was kept in that place, and also bodily remains or objects used by him were buried were known as the stupas. जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा भी कुछ अंश फजिल्स जिसको बोला जाता है लॉर्ड बुद्धा का आफ्टर हिज डेथ उसको रख के जहाँ पे एक तो पवित्र स्थान बोल के माना जाता है और उसको एक तो आर्किटेक्चर का शेप दिया गया है, दैट प्लेस इज नोन एज द स्तूपस. So it is known that Ashoka distributed portions of the Buddha's relics to every important town and ordered the construction of stupas over them. It is known that Ashoka distributed portions of the Buddha's relics. After the death of Buddha, his relics it was distributed by Ashoka, the emperor of our country during the period of ancient time, and to every important town and ordered द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ स्तूपस. बहुत सारा छोटे छोटे टाउन को भी लॉर्ड बुद्धा का रिलिक्स जो है मतलब दिया गया था और उसको लेकर के स्तूपस को बनाने के लिए ऑर्डर भी दिए थे अशोका ने, बिकॉज ही कंप्लीटली इंस्पायर्ड एंड इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द बुद्धिज्म. And the stupas at Barhut, Sanchi and Sarnath were built by the 2nd century BC. Means these places the stupas were built, and also these places were famous for Lord Buddha and Buddhism. So inscriptions found on the railings and pillars of the stupas give idea about the donations given by the kings, guilds, bhikkhus, bhikkhunis and ordinary men and women for building and decorating these monuments. मतलब stupas means it is also one of the architecture of Indian culture. means यहाँ पे बुद्धिज्म का टेम्पल की तरफ से उसको सजाया गया है, उसका मैग्निफिसेंट आर्किटेक्चर भी लोग देखने के लिए जाते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग को हार्मी का बहुत कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स वहां पे देखने के लिए मिलेगा. so that pillars and the stupas, the railings and pillars जो दिया गया है वहां पे, it give idea about the donations. मतलब वहां पे बहुत सारा kings, guilds, भिक्षुस, भिक्षुणीस, क्योंकि ना भिक्षुस और भिक्षुणीस जो है वो लोग में से राजा भी थे, मीन्स kings and as well as the slaves were also joined. So ये लोग बहुत पैसा डोनेट किए थे, donation given by him and ordinary men and women for building and decorating these monuments. इसको, ये बिल्डिंग को डेकोरेट करने के लिए और मतलब ये मोन्यूमेंट्स को डेकोरेट करने के लिए बहुत टाइप का लोग यहाँ पे पैसा डोनेट किए थे, और जिसकी कारण से वहां पे इतने बड़ा आर्किटेक्चर एक बन पाया. मीन्स about means the relics of बुद्धा, उसको लेकर के बनाया गया था. सो नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर, इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा था? सी, स्तूपा इज ए संस्कृत वर्ड मीनिंग ए हीप, मतलब एक ठो माउंट, मतलब एक ठो हीप जैसा दिखता है. And the structure of stupa originated as a simple circular mound of earth called anda. मतलब ये एक ठो हाफ सर्कल जैसा दिखता था जिसको आंडा बोला जाता है. एंड इट डेवलप्ड इनटू ए मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर. उसके बाद ये बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर को लेकर के बना हुआ था. एंड एबव द अंडा, अंडा के ऊपर में एक ठो था हार्मिका, इसको बालकोनी बोला जाता है, बालकोनी लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट रिप्रेजेंटेड द एबोर्ड ऑफ द गॉड्स. एंड मतलब उसी जगह में ही भगवान का मतलब रहने का जगह है बोल के माना जाता था. ए बालकोनी लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऊपर में है, हार्मिका को ही बालकोनी बोला जाता था, मतलब वन टाइप ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. एंड दैट रिप्रेजेंटेड द अबोर्ड ऑफ द गॉड्स, वहां पे भगवान का वासस्थान बोल के, रेसिडेंस बोल के माना जाता है. एंड अराइजिंग फ्रॉम द हार्मिका वाज द मस्ट, मतलब उसका हार्मिका के साइड में यष्टि, मतलब कॉल्ड द यष्टि, जो मस्ट दिया गया था, दैट इज नोन, वहां मतलब एक एक ठोर लंबा लंबा लकड़ी टाइप का दिया गया था, सीमेंट में हो या जो भी, जो डेकोरेटिंग मतलब आइटम्स वहां पे यूज हुआ था, दैट इज नोन एज द यष्टि, सराउंडेड बाय ए छतरी और एन अम्ब्रेला. मतलब when you will see one of the structure of stupa, then you can know which area is known as what. Means what is the harmika, what is anda, and also yashti, must, and also chhatri. You can see clearly, then you can understand very well. Means it is the decorating, like this, that monuments decorated. And around the mound was a railing and separating the sacred space from the secular world. Okay, so this is the structure of stupa. And the early stupas means कौन सा स्तूपस कौन कौन सी जगह में पहले बना गया था? The early stupas were built at Sanchi and Bharut. Bharut and Sanchi में पहले जो स्तूपस बना गया था, it was the ancient, means the early stupas. They were plain except for the stone railings which resembled a bamboo or wooden fence, and the gateways which were richly carved and installed at the four cardinal points. देखो यहाँ अभी जो हम लोग स्तूपस देखते हैं, अमरावती में हो या सांची में जो है, वहां पे बहुत मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट चीज वहां पे हमको देखने के लिए मिलता है. मीन्स हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर देखने के लिए मिलता है, मैग्निफिसेंट आर्किटेक्चर भी हम लोग को देखने के लिए मिलता है. बट ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ एंशिएंट टाइम, इन द अर्ली टाइम्स व्हेन द stupas were built at Sanchi and Bharut, means when we can see it was built by the stone railings and it which resembled a bamboo or wooden fence and the gateways. वहां पे wooden fence था, bamboo यूज हुआ था और स्टोन रेलिंग्स में बनाया गया था. And the which were richly carved and installed at the four cardinal points. And the mound of the stupas at Amravati and Sahaji Dheri in Peshawar came to be elaborately carved with sculptures and compared to the early stupas at Sanchi and Bharut. Sanchi and Bharut में हमको ये स्तूपस देखने के लिए मिलता है. एंड द माउंड ऑफ द स्तूपस एट अमरावती एंड साहजी ढेरी इन पेशवार, ये जगह का नाम है. came to be elaborately carved with the sculptures. यहाँ पे पूरा वो जो स्तूपस जो है हमको स्कल्पचर्स के ऊपर में, आर्किटेक्चर्स के ऊपर में बहुत कुछ एलाबोरेटली इंफॉर्मेशन देता है अबाउट द बुद्धिज्म. So see, here is Sanchi Stupa. See, it is the means ये जो हाफ सर्कल टाइप का दिख रहा है ना, it is known as the means it is called anda and it is the harmika. See, ऊपर लेवल में बालकोनी जैसा दिख रहा है. And here it is the residence place of God. Means it is the harmika. Okay. And also wooden early times it was the wooden fence. Wooden means bamboo fences था पहले, लेकिन अभी ये सब जो here it is the yasti and also chhatri, it is the chhatri. Okay, and here is also you can see. So it is the Sanchi Stupa. Then मतलब यहाँ पे कौन सा पार्ट को क्या बोला जाता है इसको भी याद रखना है. When you will write about the structure of Sanchi Stupa, then you can write it clearly. If you will keep that picture inside your mind, then you can elaborately write. So the fate of Amravati. So now the Mahachaitya at Amravati is now on just an insignificant little mound, totally denuded of its former glory. मतलब the fate of Amravati here is also one of the important architectural monuments we can see about the Buddhism, means it is also one of the stupa. So the fate of Amravati, about that we will discuss in the next video, because it is otherwise it will be so long, so you have to watch that much only about the Sanchi Stupa in this video. So next video we will discuss about the Amravati. It is also one of the most important question. When we will discuss about Amravati, you have to clearly listen it. Okay, so till then, bye, and you have to watch today's video. Okay.